Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a product that might just be the unsung hero for many Fujitsu ScanSnap S1300i mobile document scanner users out there. The Omnihil 15FT high-speed 2 USB data cable. This isn't just any ordinary cable. It's designed to provide a robust and reliable connection, especially when you need that extra reach. One of the first things that stands out is its impressive 15-foot length. For anyone who's ever struggled with a short cable, trying to position their scanner just right, this extended reach from Omnihil is a game-changer. It offers incredible flexibility, allowing users to set up their ScanSnap S1300i exactly where it's most convenient, without being tethered to a nearby USB port. This freedom can significantly improve workflow and desk organization. Beyond its length, the cable boasts high-speed 2 USB capabilities. This is crucial for a document scanner, as it ensures quick and efficient data transfer. Nobody wants to wait around for their scanned documents to transfer, and with this cable, users can expect a smooth and speedy process, keeping productivity high. What truly elevates this Omnihil cable above many generic alternatives is its built-in protection features. It comes equipped with OVP over voltage output protection, OCP over current output protection, and SCP short circuit output protection. These aren't just fancy acronyms. They represent a commitment to safety and the longevity of both the cable and the connected devices. Knowing that your valuable scanner is protected from potential electrical mishaps provides immense peace of mind. It's a testament to the quality and thoughtful engineering behind this third-party, non-OEM part. And speaking of peace of mind, Omnihil backs this cable with an outstanding 5-year free replacement warranty. That's a significant commitment from the brand, indicating their confidence in the product's durability and performance. A warranty like this truly adds value, assuring users that their investment is protected for years to come. It's also worth noting that, as a data cable, it naturally does not contain any alkaline, nickel, NiMH, or lithium-ion batteries. This might seem obvious, but it clarifies its function as a pure data and power conduit, free from internal power sources. Finally, a quick note on presentation. The brand mentions that the image shown is indicative only, and the actual product will govern if there are any inconsistencies. This is a standard disclaimer, reminding users that while the image provides a good idea, the physical product might have minor variations. In essence, for anyone looking to enhance their Fujitsu ScanSnap S1300i experience with a longer, safer, and highly reliable connection, the Omnihil 15FT high-speed 2 USB data cable presents itself as an excellent choice. Its combination of length, speed, robust protection, and an impressive warranty makes it a compelling option for ensuring seamless scanning operations.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.